So my first question for anatomy and physiology lecture is, which type of hormone receptor, plasma membrane bound or intracellular, would be expected to provide the most long-lived response to hormone binding, and why? That would be intracellular receptors, because the plasma membrane bound receptors degrade rapidly, so that the intracellular receptors cause the synthesis of new proteins to provide the longer lasting effects inside the cell itself. The second question is, Roger Peterson has severe arthritis and has been taking prednisone, a glucocorticoid, for 2 months. He isn't feeling well, complains of repeated colds, and is extremely puffy. Explain the normal role of glucocorticoids, then explain the reason for the symptoms. So glucocorticoids are generally meant to fight inflammation and work with the immune system to treat health issues, and not just a certain health issue, but a variety of health issues. However, with that being said, it can also be an immunosuppressive as well. So depending on his other underlying issues and other medications he can take, it can cause those to react together. And if he takes too much of the glucocorticoid over time, it can become an immunosuppressive and cause those cold-like symptoms, as well as the puffiness, which could be water retention. Generally doesn't cause more inflammation, but can cause the inflammation to stick around because it's not able to fight it anymore, because the body has just progressively over time gotten used to it. So like I said before, it could do with underlying conditions we don't know. So we're just going to go with the fact that it could be that he's just taken it so long that now the body is just trying to fight it itself and not letting it work the way it should.